So I'm reviewing something slightly different this time. I love my gadgets, drones, smart glasses, cameras, you name it. But I've also wanted for forever, really, to learn how to play a musical instrument. And frankly, I've been pretty useless at it. I tried with a keyboard, didn't get on with it. Tried with a guitar. I think I had it 6 weeks, and I think in that time I couldn't even get it tuned. So it is with some really surprise that you might see me with a guitar. Only this is something of a different sort of guitar. This thing is called the Lava Genie, and it's they say it's a sampler guitar. Whatever you call it, it's kind of cool looking, I think you'll agree. But what it does is it has all sorts of preset sounds, which you can play if you're a guitarist, or, like me, if you're learning, you have an app. Now, I will use my smart glasses to try and record the app so you get an idea of what it is. And I will sing, because this is designed for musicians that want to sing, but want to maybe play something to accompany that song. I should point out, I'm not a singer. I also have a bit of a cold at the moment, so I make no apologies for how crap my singing voice will be. But basic concept is you have an app, you sync the app with it, that can then put all sorts of stuff on here, including various songs. So you might just see, I hope you can, but the little light at the top of that thing is flashing. These are your chords, I believe they call them, and they're all numbered, which corresponds to various notes, but I can use the numbers and the colours, and the app teaches you how to play. Now, I've been using this probably 2 hours, so you know, I'm not a seasoned user, and I'm sure I'm going to make lots of mistakes, but I've chosen a song, love Elvis Presley, who doesn't, that I know-ish. The app, which I record as I go, puts up the lyrics too, hence why you can sing, and you can even connect, well, it's got really good speakers in it, but you can actually connect this to an amp as well, and I believe there's a wireless microphone going. Anyway, enough of the waffle. I'm going to try and do this. The guitar syncs with the app, so as I play something, if I hesitate, which no doubt I will be after 2 hours, the thing will just wait for me to catch up. So let me start by saying, up here there is that thing there, which you can see, maybe that's like your strings if you want to play strings, and there's two little bits up here. I won't explain too much about them, you'll hear the main one, but this one sort of just plays a note, for want of a better word, or a chord, and this one plays a bit more in depth with a bit of bass to it, but I'm just going to use a single one, and you just tap it, so it couldn't really be simpler to use. So anyway, let's give it a go. Turn the volume up a little bit. Right, let's give this a go. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Well, I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, dilly, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you. Sorry, Elvis, I know you're turning in your grave for that one, but after 2 hours and with a cold, I'm quite happy with that. So, Lava Genie, love it, absolutely love it. The app is free, but you subscribe if you want more songs. And if you are a guitarist, this thing is brilliant, apparently. Cost about £400. I got it on Kickstarter, so I got it cheap. Oh, and by the way, if you do that, then you've got the... And you've even got drums. And then you can put presets on it. There's so much to this thing that I haven't got round to using yet. And I will do, I'm sure, if I've got the time. 2 hours, man, I can play something, even though it's not brilliant. It ain't bad for someone that's never played a guitar before. Recommend it, love it, you choose. It's a Gadget. And by the way, the thing folds up, look at that. So turn it off. And if you want to, this thing, that comes out the back. Look at that. And that goes in a little case, which comes with it, by the way. They provide you with a free case as well. What else could you want? So, as Elvis would say, thank you very much. And I'd like to see some of your videos, hopefully with a better singing voice than me. Bye for now. Elvis is going to leave the building. Probably just as well with my voice.